Hey, welcome back. In today's video, we are trying to adjust the curtain walls. Okay, but first thing first, we should uh, have these on in the ceilings in other floors. So what I'm doing is Control C, and go to the paste. Just click on it and go to the align to select the levels, and you can just select the second uh, and the first and press OK. As you can see, it has created some ceiling, but as you can see, it's not in that place that we want. It became here, you see. So what I'm going to do is that let me select it, and I'll adjust the height because we said that the height is different, so it creates uh, this mistakes. So what I'm going to do is make it 260 maybe, or more. Yeah, it should be more. 218. I mean less. It should be less. Okay. Okay. It's good. Okay. So let's do the other one, which is here. Okay. Let us make it 218. Yep. And you should delete this one here. This is the opening. We don't need to have this opening. Just maybe edit the boundary. You can just select it and press tab and delete it. Okay, something like this will do the job. Okay, just press finish edit mode, and yeah, see, now it's correct. Another thing that I would like to do is that just press tab when this shows up. Let me just show this grid, a dashed line, and press tab and select. I would like to have a top offset of maybe 20 centimeters. Let's see. No, not 20 centimeters. Let's say 100. It's too much. Yeah, 80. Yeah, 80. Let's do the same for these. So this is left. So I will just press tab and select it and give 80 to it. Okay, something like this will be created. Okay, so what should we do right now? Actually, let's go to select this curtain wall and see its properties. As you can see that we have vertical grid, which means this grid, this vertical thing, and it's 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, why is it here is written 9 but you have 11? Because they add 1 here and 1 here. It's just calculating the number inside of it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Same thing goes for the horizontal grid. 1 2 3 4. But actually we have 6, you see, but we should calculate from the inside, not from the exterior mullions. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'll go to the edit type and see the curtain wall. I have the maximum spacing and fixed distance. Actually, I would like to go with the fixed distance. The reason is why, because it will make it more economical to have fixed distance. If you make it maximum spacing, it will create different dimensions, so it will be more expensive. So what I'll be doing is that maybe for this one, let's go with the 150, and keep the horizontal grid as it is, the spacing between it, and it's set out to the fixed distance. And we can change the types of the mullions we have, but this will be in the next lecture. Okay, just apply this. You applied it and press OK. As you can see, any change you made this in edit type, because we didn't duplicate it, it will change all of it. Now this has been changed. Let's see. You see? So what I would like to do is that I would like to use these mullions to align it with this ceiling. Why is this? Because I will use uh, another panel for this, or another glass to reflect it. Okay, so this is the reason that I want. So how can we do it? How can you do this thing? Actually, come to here and press tab, press tab, press tab till something like this. It says curtain wall grid. Select it, and you just now have to unpin it, or you just say up, and it will be unpinned. Actually, I want to have it from here. As you can see, I'm aligning it with it. Okay, I aligned it with it. Okay, something like this. Can do the same thing with this one. Just press and unpin it, and you can use your tab, your arrow keys on your keyboard. Okay, I would like to align it with this here, and actually right now I can see that I need another extra mullion. But before going to add extra mullion, if you change anything from the fixed distance or anything in the horizontal or vertical, it will not change this. Why is this? Because we unpinned it, so it cannot control it. Okay, that's why. So, and how to add a mullion? You'll just go to the architecture, and you'll go to the curtain grid. It's here. Just go to the curtain grid and go to the modify place curtain grid, and it says all segments or one segment. You'll add one segment, or you'll all except picked, you'll delete it. This one is for deleting it, but you will choose the all segments. As you can see, if I come to here, if I come to a horizontal mullion, it will create something like this, you see. But if I come to a vertical one, it creates a horizontal one. So I'll just click on here. Okay, and let me see. Let me choose this one, select it, and unpin it, and try to align with it. Another way is to align it is to go to the ground floor and look at the section we have. Just click on it, and let's see our. Let me just drag this one out of our way, and let's see. It was this one, isn't it? Yeah, this one. So I can just, when I go zoom out, when I just press the arrow keys, you can see the change is very huge. When I come to near and change it, you can see the change becomes very slow, and it has a short distance of space. So I am okay with this one, and I'll select this. This is to be more precise. Yep, something like this. Just come to near to it, so you can adjust it. we need one here. Okay, so what I'll be doing, no, we don't need anyone. Okay, we just let me go out and let the huge steps be taken by the mullion. Okay, and I'll select this, unpin it, up, or you can just select it and unpin it from the symbol, and I'll go to near to it, and yep, let me go select, yep, right now it's what I want. Let's go to the 3D, and you can see something like this popped up. Okay, this is what I want. What about the others? How we can do it? Maybe you will ask. Don't worry, just uh, select this, select the mullion you have. For example, you have this mullion, isn't it? Just select the till the grid appears. Let me just go near. Yep, this was the grid. Select it and unpin it. You just don't need to worry. Just click on somewhere else. Just go to align it with this. Okay, just go to the modify and go to align tool, or AL, the shortcut. I'll select this as my destination and I want this to align it. And now it has been aligned, as you can see. Same thing goes here. But I should unpin it, isn't it? See, if I go with this one, nothing happens because we didn't unpin it. Just select it and unpin it from here and align it. Align. It will be aligned. Okay. So another thing is that we should unpin this again. So align it. Okay. No, this was not the one that we want. Just align it with this one. Okay. So this one is left. And unpin it and align it with this one, and now everything is set to its place, as you can see. So we have to do with the others. Let me go to the architecture and show you another thing. Curtain grid. If I add something here, nothing has changed. Do you see? I mean, if I put it here, this will not change with this one. Just Control Z, just to show you. Let's go to edit this. Okay, and let's unpin, unpin, unpin it. Okay, so I'll go with the aligning it. I'll not save it. Okay, just align. Nope, this is not what we want. Align this with this one. Align this with this one. And align this with this one. But as you can see, we have a mistake. We didn't add a mullion here. Did you see? So we should add a mullion, or let's say curtain grid. Just go to here, somewhere here, just align it with this. Okay, you can lock in place it, but this is not what I want. So let me go to add another one, align it. Okay, and let's see, we have something like this. Actually, let's edit it again. Yeah, I mean, let's unpin them. Unpin, unpin. So I'm showing you the process so you'll not make any mistakes. Other people just pass by. I don't want to pass anything. I would like to show which mistake maybe I will do. Okay, so and then I correct it so they will not do it. This is my purpose. And let me go to the architecture and go to the curtain grid and add one. Oh, add one and align it. Just sometimes you should be aware. Okay, so this one is left. Unpin, unpin, unpin. Okay, unpin it and align it. Right now I will go to align them and add a curtain grid and try to align it. Sometimes the alignment is nearly true. So, I mean, when you put the grid, it will be aligned to it. So sometimes you don't need to align it, but we are doing it to be sure. Okay, something like this. Very good. I would like to see it in a render mode, but not now. Another thing that I want to show you is that, for example, I'll select this and I have some justifications like from the vertical grid. I can change it from beginning to the end, and let me apply it and center it. You might notice that nothing changed because let me show you why is this. Let's see and figure out. Let me change it from the beginning. What happens? Nothing happens, isn't it? So let's go to the horizontal grid and change this. Nothing changed. If I put it on the center, nothing will change. Okay, just this change. You see, you notice this. Just Control Z and put it back to its place. You just notice this, isn't it? I want to have an the sizes of less sizes. I mean incomplete sizes in the end. So you can just change it to the center, and you can see what happened. It added one more, isn't it? So this is not what I want. I'll put it to the beginning, and we will keep ourselves from headache. Let me. You see, this has changed. So the incomplete part became at the down bottom. So if I go to the center, it we have two incomplete parts from here and here, as you can see. But these are complete parts. So it became less. You get what I mean? I hope you get what I mean. So this part became less. Select this one and let's go to the change how we can activate this number. You can go to the edit type and change it this one to the fixed number, and you can change the numbers. But this is not what I want to do. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.